Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kids in Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make shōgayaki don. It's Meal for One series, and today's menu is shōgayaki don rice bowl topped with pork ginger. It's very easy to make, and if you have one portion rice pack ready in your fridge, you can whip it up within less than 10 minutes. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this shōgayaki don, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make one serving. One portion rice pack, onion, I'm using half of this, some ginger, 100 grams of thinly sliced pork, any part you like but it's thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce, sake and mirin, half teaspoon of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock. I'm making the pork ginger using microwave, so prepare food container and let's cut the onion. I'm using half of this. Cut the top and the bottom off. Let's make thin slices. Put it in the food container. Pork and all these seasonings also into the container. Hondashi, soy sauce, sake, mirin, and 1 tablespoon of water. Try to release and separate the pork. Like this. Put the lid on, but don't seal it tight. Just put it on like this and microwave. 3 minutes at 600 watts. Give it a mix. Let's grate some ginger straight into the container. I'm going to grate it with the skin on, so I washed it really well. Let's put generous amount. Lid back on and microwave. This time 2 minutes at 600 watts. And the pork ginger topping is ready. Let's heat up 1 portion rice pack. 1 minute at 800 watts. Make sure the rice is steaming hot. Otherwise, it won't regain the softness and stickiness. Let's put it in the bowl here. Fluff it. And pork ginger topping. Japanese chili mix if you want to make it spicy. And shogayaki don for one. It's ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The gingery pork topping of course tastes good, but what I like about the dish is the rice soaked up all the tasty broth. I wish I knew how to make this easy dish when I was a uni student. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. It's meal for one series today, so let's make the whole meal nice and simple. Shogayaki don goes here and it also covers the main. Let's have instant miso soup here. I want to have some fresh vegetables, so vegetable sticks with miso mayo dipping sauce for one of the side dishes, and let's forget about the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!